All right, so welcome back to the part two of everything you need to know as a beginner or new user of 168 Chinese shopping app. So, if you have been following the part one along, you notice that during the part one, I click on something like this, which I call product favorite. So, if I click on it, you had a product, your favorite collection. You click on it, you can click on as many as possible to add the products to a favorite collection. Now, one will be wondering where we can find all these products that we have been favorite so far. So you can see I tried to favorite this. I'm going to favorite this one now. So just like what you see right there, I tried to favorite about three right here. One, two, three. Now, when you favorite a product, where can you find those products? So in case you are ready to make a purchase for that particular product. So this is where we are going to start the part two of everything you need to know about 168 Chinese shopping app as a beginner. Okay. Now we can simply go back right here. Now we're back to the home page. Under the home page right here, then from the home page right here, what we need to do is to simply click on here. Then have a click on it, take us right here. Now, how do we find those products that we have already added into our favorite? What you need to do is to click on here from your profile. Then you have everything right there. By the time I refresh, you see some of the products that have been added in the previous, because we have just added a new one. That is why they have not been displayed right here. However, so this is where you can find, okay, they have been added right here. You can see the product right here, the one we just favorite again. And this is where you find any product you have been favorite so far on 1688 Chinese shopping app. And it's as simple as that. Then when you are ready to make a purchase, you can simply click on the product link right here and it's going to take you right here and you have the favorite icon right here. Alternatively, you can also go back to the home page right here. Let's say for instance you are searching for products from this particular newsfeed sections right here. Now we found someone that we are interested to buy, but we don't have money to make a purchase right now. So let's say for instance this particular product right here. So I'm going to simply click on it. Then it takes us right here. We can simply click on here to proceed to the sales page. Now we are here. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on here to add the product to our collection of the right tab. It has been successfully added. Then we can simply go back again, go back, and then next thing we want to do is to click on our profile right here. Then I simply go back to the right tab right here. So let's check it out. So definitely the product supposed to be found right here now, just like what you see right here. Everything that we have been vaporized so far is found right here. You can see it has all product as been lined up. So this is because we allow it to take some minutes before the system can add it to our favorite right here. Now here on the favorite sections right here, if you do not have satisfied with the product any longer and you want to check more similar products of that same particular product before you can make a purchase, what you need to do is to simply click on this icon right here. So click on that. Then allow the system to search, then you see similar results of that same particular product, different prices right here. You can scroll down and see more. The more you scroll down, the more you see different type of this particular same product from different manufacturer. So you can click on this one right here if you are satisfied with it. Scroll down and check on their product detail. Like this particular store right here, they are not a verified store, just like what you see right here. This store here is not verified. And if you are type that want to have a rest of mind and you want to have a quality product shipped to you wherever you are, don't always consider a supplier that is not verified. It is super dangerous. So that is that. So scroll down here and check on more detail about the store. Simply go back and take a look at another store. Like I explained in the previous video, I have shown you on how you can easily identify legit and a verified store without giving you much stress. Okay, the more you scroll down, the more you see different product is going to load up. So most of the manufacturer, okay, like this particular one right here, this store right here, you can see this icon, this full icon here. They are legit and verified store. So if I click on the product link, let's check it out. Then we have it right there. By the time you scroll down, then you see their dashboard right there. It's quite different from the first one. So this simply means that this store here, they are fully verified. You can simply have the rest of mind when you purchase from them. Another thing here is that this store here has been on 1688 in the last 6 years, just like what you see right there. And then one more thing here is that the general over store rating of this particular store is 4.5, which is quite good enough for you to consider here. That's it. So we can simply go back to the search page. Now, from the top right here, you can also search by filter, just like the way we did in the previous searching. You can search by this is the general idea, and this is the supplier that can, and this is the supplier that can deliver within the 48 hours of your order placement. And system is going to generate everything and show you right here. And another thing here is this is the ones recommended by 1688. These are 1688 recommended, and it has been labeled and branded with 1688. So if you see any product that has been recommended by 1688, is going to be labeled. And most of the products recommended by 1688 are always verified store. This is a verified factory, and this is a verified store right there. You can see the difference right there. This is for verified factory, and this is for a verified store. And this is the grade 1, while this one is grade 2 of verification on. So the more you scroll down on 1688 rather, the more you scroll down, the more you see products recommended by 1688. Is that simple. If I swipe this way, then you see more information right there. This is 7-day return for no reason. So this is the supplier that supports 7-day return of no reason. So it's going to refine and show you everything right here based on the 1688 recommended store, and at the same time the supplier that supports returning of products even after 1 week of purchase for any no reason. You get your money back 100%. Then search by location, which is this large sections right here. If you want to search product by location, choose your location from these particular options right here, and you are good to go. Okay, so this is what I have for you as far as everything you need to know about 1688 Chinese shopping app part 2. Let's take a look at the factory and see what are the things you still need to know about 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let's find out.